So here's the problem. I just pumped this tire to 41. Okay, I'm checking with this manual measure pump and it shows 40 something, so it is 40 something pounds, I mean psi, so it's about 41. I'm connecting device again into the tire to check the pressure. This thing is not reliable. Right now it shows that I have 36. So this pump is not consistently showing the same pressure. I just pumped it to 41, now it shows 36, 37 when I know it's 41. It didn't drop 3 or 4 psi all of a sudden for nothing. Wow. This one is probably bad because this shows a little bit less. This one shows 1, 2, 3. This one shows 35, but this one is the more reliable. And this one shows me right now it's 34, 40. So I have 40, and again I'm gonna try to connect this one, set on car. Now it shows me 35, where before, or it was 36. So it's 36, but it's actually 41 because I just pumped it a couple of minutes ago to 41. So this unit is not reliable, or there is something wrong with it.